Here we have a 2006 Baja 23 Outlaw. Tandem axle trailer, spare tire. This boat is in very, very good condition. Got some red and not sure if they're dark blue or purple graphics on the side. Bravo 1. Stainless prop, trim tabs, through-hole exhaust. The boat is very clean. I was very impressed by it. Nice swim platform. Do not see anything wrong with the interior. I'm going to go in here and open the motor compartment. Dual batteries, Mercruiser 496 mag HO. Very clean engine compartment. Does have the bolster seats. Very good condition. That's one drop down. Tilt steering. Divorcee gauges, depth finder, stereo, glove box, steps to go up on the bow if you need to. We'll go in the cabin here. This interior is in very good condition as well. Just beautiful. The headliner looks great. The whole boat has snapping carpet. It's a little wet right now, a little damp, but storage under the seats. You can stick a porta potty under there if you want. No tears in the back seat. It does have like a storage cover with it. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois.